long does roof cleaning last? That's a great question and asked by many homeowners who are considering having their roof cleaned for the first time. In many cases, once the roof has been treated by a trained soft washing professional, the surface of the roof will stay clean for as long as it did from new or since last time it was cleaned. Reasons why mould, moss and lichens come back quickly on roof surfaces could be falling leaves landing on the roof from overhanging or nearby trees. Incorrect cleaning method used, for example, a soft wash roof will stay clean between 4 and 6 times longer than one that has been pressure washed only. Flat roofs where rainwater can pool will become green again quickly and will need a regular maintenance plan in place. Annual treatment is normally sufficient. Professional roof cleaning companies will be able to offer you a 5-year spot-free warranty backed by the chemical manufacturer. 5 years, therefore, is the expected length of time a soft wash roof should stay clean and mould-free. Please ensure you have read and understood your provider's warranty terms and conditions and always ask for a copy before agreeing to have any work undertaken. A reputable roof cleaning company will provide you with a warranty certificate. Make sure the certificate is dated and signed by the chemicals manufacturer. The benefit of this is the manufacturer will have trained the roof cleaner to use its products. Before, during and after images are sent to the chemicals manufacturer by the roof cleaner to prove the work has been carried out to a high standard. Once the manufacturer is happy, you'll receive your warranty certificate. Also check if the warranty is transferable to a new owner should you decide to sell your home. It will almost certainly add value to the sale. This type of roof cleaning warranty protects you should the roof cleaner go out of business for any reason.